Some forms of contamination can't be washed away, such as iron particles, also known as fallout, which bonds to your paintwork. This build-up of iron can occur if you park near a railway line or factory, or if you cover a lot of miles. This is a particular issue on light-coloured vehicles, where contamination can be seen as little black dots or rusty orange specks, which can't be removed by shampoo. The most common cause of iron on cars is from brake dust. Autoglym Magma contains colour transform technology, which turns red as it comes into contact with iron particles. The reaction breaks the bond between the iron and the car, allowing it to be easily rinsed away. Shampoo the vehicle first, then remove any excess water. Then generously spray magma across the bodywork, glass and wheels. Wait a few minutes while magma reacts to any iron particles on the surface and watch as it turns red as it starts to react. The level of reaction will be dependent on the amount of iron contamination on your vehicle. This car is parked at a train station, so it is heavily contaminated. The more frequently you use magma, the less of reaction you will see, as there will be less of a build-up of iron. Agitate before rinsing away. Magma reacts to iron particles. To remove other types of contamination, such as tree sap or tar, use the Autoglym Clay Detailing Complete Kit.